Hello everybody, this is Bui from mamaboiskitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today guys, we are going to make giant chocolate chip cookies. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. In a large bowl, add butter. Beat it until smooth, then add granulated sugar and brown sugar. Beat until it's fluffy and creamy. This should take about 3 minutes. Next, add egg and vanilla extract. Beat well until well combined. Now we're gonna stop the mixer and scrape the bowl. Next, we're gonna sift in the flour, baking powder, and salt. Then beat well until just combined. Do not overmix, guys. Once the cookie dough is well combined, we're gonna go ahead and stir in chocolate chips and walnuts. We're gonna use the spatula to fold in the nuts and the chocolate. Next, scoop cookie batter onto a parchment-lined baking sheet, leaving 2 inches spaces in between. Guys, this cookie batter spreads a lot. One thing I like to do, guys, I like to reserve a handful of chocolate chips to nestle them on top of the cookies before they bake. Just like so, guys. Now the cookies are ready to be baked. We're gonna bake them at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 16 minutes. The cookies are out of the oven. Immediately sprinkle with chocolate sprinkles and nut topping. The nut topping adds the saltiness and a nice flavor. Let the cookies cool in the baking sheet completely. Because these are big cookies, the center should still be a bit undone when they come out of the oven, and by allowing them to cool on the baking sheet, it allows them to finish baking all the way through. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. These cookies are slightly crisp golden exteriors and chewy interiors. They are loaded with chocolate and guys, they are delicious. I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my